Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on stacked column chart report item. Before getting into this video, let me give a small introduction about this chart. The stacked column chart allows you to compare multiple measures through bars stacked, one after the other vertically. In this video, we will see how to add a stacked column chart to an RDL report, and how to change its properties. First, let's create a new report. Create a new report, and name it Stacked Column Chart. You can learn how to create your first report from the link provided in this video's description. Then, create a dataset to assign data to the chart. Create a new data source, name it Visitors Details using the JSON data connector. And click the Connect button. The Query Designer page will open. Name it Visitors Dataset. And click the Finish button. A dataset is created. I have also provided the video link for creating a data source and dataset using the JSON data connector, and the documentation link for the JSON query in this video's description. Now, let's add the stacked column chart to the report. Drag and drop the chart from the item panel to the designer's surface. You can also add the chart by right-clicking the design area, and then clicking Insert from the context menu. The list of report items that can be added will be displayed. You can add the chart by selecting the chart, and then the stacked columns. You will also see the properties displayed. Since we can assign any value from the database to the chart, the Data tab is enabled. The Name field represents the name of the chart. The properties are divided into 13 categories based on its usage. You can change the size of the chart by extending the corners, or by dragging the points at the center. I resize the chart according to my requirement. Now let me assign data to the stacked column chart. To assign data, click Data on the Properties panel. The Data panel will open. In the Data panel, you will see fields in the dataset displayed. If you have multiple datasets, you can select the dataset you require by using the Dataset dropdown. The numeric columns and expressions are listed in the Measures section. And the remaining types of expressions and dimensions are listed in the Dimensions section. Drag the Visitors field from the Measures section to the Y-value section. By default, the sum aggregate function will be applied to the expression. You can change the aggregate function by clicking the Settings button. The context menu will be displayed. Click the Aggregate option to display the list of aggregate methods. You can also change the aggregate function using the Expression option. Click the Preview button. You will see the stacked column chart with the sum of the search engine visitors. Click the Design button. Then, I drag and drop the month field from the Dimensions section to the Column section. On Preview, the search engine visitors for each month are displayed in the chart. You can group the fields by adding the fields in the Rows section. I drag and drop the search engine field from the Dimensions section to the Rows section. On Preview, you will see the search engine visitors grouped based on the search field and measured against month field values. Here you will see the months are not sorted in order. Click the Design button. To sort months in the ascending order, click the Settings icon for the month field. and select Sorts. The sorting dialog will open. In the sorting dialog, click the icon next to the Sort by Value and select the Expression option. In the Expression dialog, enter the expression that converts the month string to month name and click the OK button. Select the sort type to Ascending. Click OK. While assigning each field, the chart will be refreshed in the Design area. On Preview, the months are in the ascending order. Now I'll format the stacked column chart. To format the chart, click Properties. The Property panel will be displayed. Under the Appearance category, I change the border style to double. Color to black. Thickness to 1.833. In the chart area, I enable the Show Border property. The border property is displayed. I change the border color to black. Thickness to 2. And select the Chart Palette property, Custom. The Custom Colors property is displayed. I click the Edit icon next to this property. The Custom Colors panel will open. Click Add. The field to enter the color value is displayed. Add the color. In the same way, add the remaining 4 colors. And click the Update button. Under the title, I enter Most Popular Search Engine. The title changes accordingly. Under the Node Data category, I enter Node Data to display. Under the category axis, I enter months. You can customize the font in the axis title property. Click the icon next to it and select Advanced. In the Advanced property, I change the font size to 13 and font weight to bold. In the Value axis, I enter the axis title value as visitors count and change the font size to 13 and font weight to bold. Under the Miscellaneous category, I set the tooltip value to Most Popular Search Engine Chart. Click the Preview button. You will see the chart. When hovering over the chart, you will see the text entered in the tooltip property displayed. In this video, I showed you how to add a stacked column chart to the Report Designer control, and how it is rendered in the Report Viewer control while previewing it. We have also planned another video that explains the properties of the chart report item. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.